Welcome to Algebra. Today, we are looking at special systems of equations. Specifically, how to identify when a system has no solution at all using algebraic methods. You might see strange results like 0 equals 5, and we will explain exactly what that means. First, let's quickly review what a system is. A system is simply a set of two or more equations with the same variables. Usually x and y. Our goal is to find the specific pair of numbers for x and y that makes both equations true at the same time. Usually, two lines on a graph cross at one specific point, which is our solution. However, sometimes a system has no solution. This happens when the two lines are parallel. Because parallel lines run in the same direction forever and never touch, there is no intersection point, and therefore, no solution. So, how do we spot this without drawing a graph? When you try to solve a no-solution system using algebra, something strange happens. All your variables will disappear, and you will be left with a false statement or a contradiction, like 0 equals 5. Let's try an example using the substitution method. Look at these two equations. Both are set equal to y. Since y equals y, we can set the right side of the first equation equal to the right side of the second equation. Now we solve for x. We want to group our x terms, so we subtract 3x from both sides. But look what happens. The 3x on the left cancels out, and the 3x on the right also cancels out. We are left with just 4 equals -2. This is false. 4 does never equal -2. This impossible result of 4 equals -2 is the math telling us that an intersection is impossible. If we were to graph these two lines, we would see that they have the same slope but start at different heights. They are parallel tracks that will never meet. This works with the elimination method too. Here, we have -2x plus y equals 10 and 2x minus y equals 5. If we add these equations together, -2x plus 2x is 0. Y plus -y is also 0. But 10 plus 5 is 15. We get 0 equals 15, which is another false statement. Be careful not to confuse this with infinite solutions. If you get a false statement like 0 equals 7, it means no solution or parallel lines. But if you get a true statement like 0 equals 0, that means the lines are identical and there are infinite solutions. To summarize, you can identify these special systems easily. Solve using your preferred method. If the variables cancel out completely, check the remaining numbers. A false statement like 0 equals 5 is your signal that the system has no solution because the lines are parallel.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.